In this video, we will learn how to find out the LM equation from the transaction and speculative demand for money. The question is, if transaction demand for money is, that is MT is equal to 0.75y and speculative demand for money is MZ, which is equal to 50 minus 150I. Where I denotes the rate of interest we need, and also we are being told money supply is given us as MS, which is 150. We need to find out the LM equation. Okay. Now what does LM equation show us? It shows us money market equilibrium. Money market equilibrium. Okay. Now money market is in equilibrium when demand for money, that is when demand for money is equal to the supply for money. Okay, we know this very thing. Now demand for money has two components. First, what we call the transactionary demand for money, and another is the speculative demand for money. Okay, and it should be equal to the money supply. That is, it should be equal to the money supply. Now transactionary demand MT is being given as a 0.75y. That is the demand for money which we carry out for transactionary purposes, which is a positive function of income. And then we have the speculative demand for money, which is being given us as 50 minus 150I, where I denotes the rate of interest. So demand for money has two components. One is for transactionary purposes, another is for speculative purposes. So transactionary demand for money is positive function of income, and speculative demand for money is the negative function of rate of interest, and it should be equal to the money supply, which is being given us as 150. Okay, now let's solve this question for income or rate of interest. So let us solve it for rate of interest. So we will get 150I is equal to, so we have 0.75y, then we have plus 50, then we have negative 150, or rather solve it for income. So we have 0.75y is equal to 150. Transpose this here, it becomes negative 50, it becomes positive 150. Or 0.75y is equal to 100 plus 150I. Okay, now dividing both sides by 0.75, so we have y will be equal to 100 upon 0.75 plus 150I divided by 0.75. so solving further will give us the LM equation. I cannot do this calculation right now. So what does the money demand function show us? Rather, this transactionary, speculative and money supply, it shows us the LM equation. Every point on the LM equation shows us the different points. Every point shows us different combination of rate of interest and level of income, where money market is in equilibrium. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.